I'm so happy. No, I'm not. Fucking hate doing this.
So where are we on this?
Nani? Oh, it's because scaring me. It's because my downpipe's not connected.
Oh.
That's why I'm like, what the f? I am attempting to try to swap my motor. Saying wee. God damn it, why is Swift calling me? I'm gonna murder you all. I'm so f***ing over this already.
We just started.
Rob! Yes. I need to hold my shaft. I need to make an FD fit CD09 with a custom downpipe. You back chair of the car. Come on this side. Back chair of the car. Make room for the bitch.
Shoe doesn't fit, make it fit. Make it a slipper.
Hey Drew, come here. You ever seen this before? How do you make an RX7 with a CD09 with a custom downpipe fit in the tunnel? You just keep bashing the car.
How many?
Ding!
If it works, it works, right? Oh!
I heard it go that way somewhere.
Dude, what the fuck? Because it hit and I
yeah, it went.
It went this way.
It probably goes a lot farther than you think it goes. That's what she said. I bet you it's somewhere. See, I knew it was over here somewhere. It was way farther than you think.
All the good times the fire's coming on this thing.
It didn't crack.
Huh?
No cracks on it.
Why are you jinxing me? Why would it be cracked?
I don't know. They shoot a lot of flames.
Insert clips right here.
To the point that it I melted my bumper and discolored and
Yeah, that's not. Oh, shit. I just realized. Is the new adapter going to change your drive shaft length?
no.
Oh, it's the same size?
It's a copy of the college.
Oh, okay.
Are you in gear?
I think it's here.
Son of a fucking bitch ass, slut ass fucking cock ass fucking.
Oh!
You shaking the bottom of it? Do I do it up? I should do it. Goosey. I don't want to take it off. Just tip. Oh, you son of a bitch.
tip.
No, it's dry. Drier than shit. Oh, it has been sitting for quite a while. So the oil probably just slipped down.
What did he say?
How long has it been sitting?
A year. Almost a year.
Yeah. When did you do a trans before that?
Before Hoonigans.
Which one? Since you went twice.
The first one.
Wait, which one was first? The
Nani?
yeah. Don't bust that video.
Time to do some sketchy. Doo-dah, doo-dah, hope I get away with it. Oh, the doo-dah day.
Which one was first?
Yeah.
The drag race one was first. And then the burn yard. But they made it seem like the burn yard was first. This is what my dreams are made of. And what color do you think my trans is? Come look at it before it's over.
Clear? Gold. Wow. Wow. How often do you?
Oh, whatever. Get this fucking car out of here. That's not bad. That's not bad. Seems bad.
So what's a smart way to put that ball joint back in before we like lose a finger?
And it's in.
Good thing we got a 3D printer now.
That's a Monday.
How to make a gun holster. How to make a gun.
Hey yo.
Wait. I should be worried.
Oh shit. Those fucking ship dogs. I f***ed up on this motor. I gotta send this motor and this motor back. Okay. Study where my oil panel on this motor is. And study where my oil panel is on that one. I did a rear sump conversion to make that custom sump frame. So I can keep my rack opinion. I forgot. And as soon as the car went up, I'm like, yeah, I remember. And that's where it has the whole new oil pan, everything, cause the conversion.
So is it just? What is it that they have to change exactly from this motor?
The lower pan and the upper pan.
Oh, okay.
So if you see my dipstick, it's not here. My dipstick is in the back of my motor. Basically, you see those 4 squares, and you see the dipstick. On here, you see the dipstick first, and then the 4 squares. It's literally backwards, and only a few cars have that conversion done. I forgot. And I swear I thought I bought that motor with the rear sump on it, and no. Because the front sump is in the JZX.
Rob.
Because the steering rack is in the back of the car.
Like it's here, it's ready to go, and then just that one.
And it's not here, and it's
Yep.
not ready to go.
Yeah.
What happened was, I went to this club. I got f***ed up and my shifter in the car?
Nah,
No, not the Coors Light, but the actual part.
it should be.
That means I gotta go up and dig it out. God damn it. Dude, this car is... I mean, Alan's a 15 and now a 16.
Are you gonna pull the tranny?
Yeah. What's up, sir? What do you see?
I'm trying to see, because there is my engine. Pull the upper oil pan, you have to pull off. I can't remember if it was a rear main seal or the oil pump. I don't think you need to pull anything on this engine.
He said, I asked the motor builder, he said no.
Yeah.
Nothing has to really be touched. Hey Max, how do you make a CD09 fit in a JZ in an RX7 with a custom downpipe?
Use a lot of random hardware and fasteners.
The frame tunnel though.
Oh shit, that shit's a banging the out.
Oh wow. Wait, how much more is that out?
Or is it normally flat? No way, it's like that? Wait, where's the seat? Oh, so it covers it. So you can't see it inside.
It's actually the shifter tunnel area.
Oh,
You can feel the bumps when you touch the carpet.
wait, it doesn't even really need that clearancing, right?
The downpipe goes this way and right.
Oh, it goes above the train? Oh, that's right. You know what I love about Toyota though? They put price spots. So good.
I'm not talking about shifters. The shifter stuff.
Like up top?
Yeah.
I ain't got no doubt.
You never even asked me to go ride with you. I'm so jealous now. All of them fucking sin. I hate this, guys.
This is unless you've taken it apart, huh?
Yeah. It's bad enough taking the turbo out.
The next day.
Status update. RX7, 1JZ. Rebuilding. Anyways, so far, we got the downpipe out, got the transmission out, the axles, no, sorry, the dry shaft, not the axles, is out. Now we're gonna bring the car down, take the face off of it, to get all the fluids out in the front, like the coolant, and then hopefully, easy peasy, the engine comes out. Easy peasy.